Hello, good morning, students. Near about of this course BO 336 or paper number 6 computational botany. We have completed the 8th chapter, and from today we are going to see chapter number 9, that are the computation of seed testing and the plant growth indices. Chapter inside there are no meaning, or the name of chapter inside there are the meaning are explained. Computation of a seed testing. Computation, what are the meaning of computational botany? It is nothing but the branch of science which deals with the study of arrangement, analysis, and the interpretation of data. That concept are applied in a seed testing. That means we have test a seed, how that are the growing, how that are the activity are performing. Okay, that is known as a seed testing. That is means a computation, or the in computation, that means interpreting of a seed testing data. And the plant growth indices, there are different plant growth indices such as germination, root, shoot length. That are the indices we are going to see in this chapter. Let's see which are the points we have to see in this chapter. First, seed germination and the early seedling growth. Then seed germination and the early seedling growth in a under the stress condition, and some parameter plant growth indices, that are AGR, CGR, RGR, LAI. That concept we have a see. First we have to see what is mean by seed germination and the early seedling growth. In that, some parameter we have to see: germination percentage, mean germination time, germination index, germination speed. That concept we have to see. Let's see. First we have to see the germination. Seed germination is nothing but the formation of seedling from a seed. All seed not germinate. Germination requires some external and internal factor that are responsible, such as temperature, oxygen, climate, light, dark, and the metabolism. That are the conditions required for the germination. Due to this, some seed early germinate and some seed late germinate. Some seed do not germinate, that go in a resting period, that is known as a seed dormancy. After the completing the dormancy, it gives a favorable condition. It germinate and develops into the seedling. Let's say germination, it is a process, the formation of a seedling from a seed. Okay, then germination, why some seed germinate early, why some seed germinate late? It is a depend upon the favorable condition. If one seed get all favorable condition for the growth, they can germinate easily. But any seed that do not obey or do not satisfy the external and internal condition, that means internal, that is the supply of oxygen, water, that is no there in that soil, they do not germinate. Another factor, that is the external factor, light, temperature, that do not provide that minimum for the germination, they do not germinate, they go under the resting period. And the some seed got every favorable condition, due to which that seed will be germinate. And those seed are not germinate, that go under the dormancy. After the dormancy is nothing but the favorable condition of seed, in which seed will be germinate. Then seed germination and early seedling growth. Let's say seed germination. In the seed germination growth of plant seed, for example, sprouting of a seed of any angiospermic plant. Let's say some students get confusion. Seed germination is sprouting, or the seed germination is the seedling formation. Both condition are seed germination, it is nothing but the sprouting formation also, and the seedling formation also, that are the same concept. Seed germination at early and the late due to favorable condition, and that concept are given. Seed germination at early and the late. Early and late, there is one difference. Early, that means all favorable condition are present, due to which germination will be take place. And let that means there are some uncomfortable or the not favorable condition will be take place, such as the internal as well as the external. For that some parameter we have to study: germination percentage, mean germination time, germination index, germination speed, and vigor index. That are the parameters we have to see. First we have to see germination percentage. Development of seedling from a seed is known as a germination. Germination, it is a germination and germination percentage are the similar. Germination percentage, when germination are expressed in the form of a percent, that is known as a percentage. It is a process of a seed sprout for a growing and the developing into plant. The germination percentage approximately in viability of a seed. It is denoted as a GP. Let's see formula of a germination percentage. The number of total germinated seed divided by total number of seed tested into 100. That is known as a germination percentage. Next, mean germination time. It is also describes length of a lag period from the imbibition to the radical protrusion. Mean germination times. That means mean time from the germination will be happen. That time is known as a mean germination. Mean germination time, it is calculated by the MGT is equal to summation of n into d divided by n, where n, small n, it is the number of seed germinated on each day. D is number of day from the beginning of the test, and n is the total number of seed are the germinate. These tests are given by the Ellis Robert in 1981. That are the mean germination time. Mean germination time, that means any seed go under the dormancy from that time to the radical protrusion time. That time is known as the mean germination time. And how they are calculated? Summation of small n into d. Small n, it is nothing but the number of seed are germinated on each day, and d, it is nothing but the number of days from the beginning of a test. How many days are required to germinate that seed. That are the overall about the first two parameters, that are the germination percentage and a mean germination time. Thank you. Germination index is an analysis of a method that are the best describe the germination percentage and the speed of a speed relationship. It is the best that perform the seed phytotoxicity test, which are a germination bioassay that quantify the seed growth. Germination index is the first introduced by Zucconi et al. What are the germination index? See, germination index allows to evaluate low level of toxicity that affect on a root growth, as well as a high level of toxicity which affect on a seed germination. Let's see GI. It is a number of germinated seed. Number of germinated seed, days of the first count, number of germinated seed, days of a second count, and number of germinated seed, days of a final count. In this way, germination index are the calculated. Let's germination speed. The temperature, light, water, these are the external conditions. If available, the maximum amount of a seed can be germinated. The germination speed refers to the germination rate. The speed of germination was calculated by the N1 divided by D1, N2 divided by D2, N3 divided by D3. N is the number of germinated seed and D is the number of days. Then vigor index. Vigor index, it is a specially calculated on the basis of germination percentage and a seedling length. It is calculated by the GP into the seedling length. For example, GP is 94% and the seedling length is 82 meter. Then how calculate VI? 94 into 82, that are the 7708, that are vigor index of that plant. That is overall about the first parameter, seedling growth under at a early condition.